Hello and welcome to Tech Support Wheel, and in this video I will show you how to show line numbers in Microsoft SQL Server. First of all, open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio or SSMS from the Windows button. Type SSMS, that stands for SQL Server Management Studio, in the Windows search. Or you will find it under Microsoft SQL Server Tools folder in All Apps. Log into the SQL Server using any of the authentication mode. I will log in using Windows authentication. Expand the databases folder, and here you will find the databases that are created. Right-click on the database and select New Query. I am pasting a sample procedure to have the line numbers shown. As you can see, there are no line numbers. To show the line numbers, open Tools and then Options. Under Text Editor, select the All Languages option. There it is. Check the line numbers and click on OK. That's it. The line numbers are displayed in MS SQL. If you ever want to hide the line numbers, you need to uncheck the checkbox that you just modified. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Support Wheel for more useful contents like this.